Alright, what is going on, guys? So today I got the 2018 Mustang GT right here behind me, and this is part 2 of the rebuild series. If you guys haven't watched the first video, you guys can go back to my channel, or I'll put the link down below so you guys can see like the whole pickup process from the auction and a little bit of repairs we did on the suspension on the passenger side, because that's where it was hit from, or I don't know exactly if it got into an accident or what exactly had happened. Yeah, you guys can watch that. So basically we just did some suspension components. I cleaned the car up a little bit, and that's pretty much it. So this is going to be part 2 of the rebuild series. So we're actually going to be digging into the framework. So yeah, let's get straight into the day. All right, guys, so the first part of this video that you guys are about to see, basically we're going to be digging into this frame rail, which was damaged. Let's start taking off the hood. Alright guys, we got the top part of the fender rail section off. So now we can see exactly, as you guys can see, the little bulge right here. Drilled out all the spot welds, as you guys can see how much it is pushed back, as you guys can notice right there. So we're gonna go ahead and take it to the frame shop and then go ahead and pull it. And I got all the new parts, so we're gonna go ahead and be changing this whole new frame rail, the bottom part and the top. And so we're going to be putting that on after we pull the frame. So yeah, let me show you guys all the parts that I got for it. All OEM from Ford. I got some of them from eBay. Like the fog lights were super expensive. They were like almost like $500 for the fog lights, which is crazy. I don't know why it was that. So yeah, I got the bumper right here, guys. We went ahead and went with the Shelby bumper because I couldn't really find the OEM bumper online. And the dealer had it for like super crazy expensive, so I went ahead and just got this one. So we'll see how this turns out. Got the fender rails right here, got the bottom part, the top part, and then the reinforcement bracket. I believe this goes in between fender rails. Got the fog light right there. You got all the canards and grills for the bumper. Got the inner fender well. You got the headlight right here. And then under there I got another fog light. And then I went ahead and bought strut bar, so we go ahead and see like how much the shock tower was pushed in. So this will be really great lining everything up. And then we got the bumper reinforcement. There goes my cat right there, guys. And then we got the fender right here. We got a new fender, and yeah, that's pretty much it. We got the front lip right here. Got all the canards as well right there, and then a bunch of brackets for the bumpers. And I got screws even as well from Ford. They were pretty cheap, so I went ahead and just got those. And then I got the fender bracket as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Got the hood right here. It's temporary storage right now in my house until we find a shop. But yeah, I got some washer fluid as well. So these are all the parts, and yeah, they're pretty much all from Ford, as you guys notice. All OEM parts. Even the used fog lights, they're OEM as well, as you guys notice right there. All right, guys, so we got the Mustang GT on the frame machine, as you guys can see. And I'm just getting everything hooked down. Alright guys, yeah, so we got everything chained down. So we're just establishing some points where we're gonna pull from. Got the shock pulled out. And yeah, that's pretty much, we got the strut bar here so we can check for alignment. But yeah, it should be pretty simple, just pulling out the shock tower. Main frame rail is not bent at all. Perfectly straight. And we did the measurements on it as well. So yeah, it's pretty much the shock tower and the fender rail that needs to be pulled out. Alright guys, so we got the new under fender rail on. We got the old one off. We're just drilling the holes for the spot welds and just lining everything up. Got the shock tower pulled in, as you guys see. And then we got the top fender rail right here. And then we got the strut bar here. So it's lining up, as you guys can see right there. It's lined up on the other side. So we got that evened out. Just gotta finish these rails up and then weld it onto the existing shock.
welding.
Yeah, guys, so these...
Can't have any paint on it. It has to be bare metal.
Yeah, guys, so we just gotta grind the spot welds. So basically the welds can hold on it, or...
Yeah, because it has to be bare metal. It can't have any type of paint on it.
Oh, okay, yeah. We just gotta grind all the spot welds and grind all the metal. ¿Qué onda, primo? Yeah, so it has a nice spot where the weld can adhere to the metal.
Yeah, I guess you could say it like that.
Yeah.
Bring me my light.
Alright guys, so we just took it off the frame machine because we were running out of daylight, and yeah, we had to leave. I had to wrap it up, so we're just gonna pretty much do final touches at home. Right now we got everything straight, so you guys can notice from that wheel, this wheel. So we got the shock tower straight, the strut bar lined up perfectly on the studs. So that was pretty much what we were hoping for. Get the shock tower lined up, and then we put the whole new bottom fender rail, upper fender rail, and then now we just threw the fender on temporarily. We gotta line everything up, but yeah, we're gonna take it home and then we'll do the rest there. And then if we need to do a little bit more pulling, once we put all the pieces on, then we can do that. But yeah, we're just super tired and been going all day, so. But yeah guys, that's gonna wrap up the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you guys stay tuned to the end, thank you guys so much. That really means so much to me. Drop your comments down below what you guys thought of the video. If you guys have any suggestions for the future videos on the Mustang, anything you guys would like to see specifically, you can just drop it down below, and I read all the comments. So yeah, just be putting your thoughts down below, and make sure you guys subscribe to the channel and stay tuned, and drop a like on the video if you guys liked it. That would mean so much to me as well. If you guys have any constructive criticism that you guys would like to give us on anything that we can improve on while we're working on the car, or anything we're not doing right, drop it down below. We're very open to reading all you guys' feedback. It helps us improve and helps the channel improve. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned for the next video.